Hello friends, this is Shilpa. Today I am here to solve some maths problems. So let's start with our problems. Our first problem is prove that tan A upon 1 minus cot A plus cot A upon 1 minus tan A equals to 1 plus tan A plus cot A. Okay, now see students, this is a very important question from what point of view in grade 10. Trigonometry chapter is there. So this question often comes in board exam. So let me explain this question and see very carefully. Now let's start our solution. I am taking my LHS part first. So LHS is tan A upon 1 minus cot A plus cot A upon 1 minus tan A. Now see, here we need to take the LCM, and dear students, we know that to take the LCM, we need the denominator same or almost same, so that it may become easy for us to take the denominator. So here we will also try to make the denominator same or almost same. We know that cot and tan are having relations, so we will convert cot into tan. We know that it is a reciprocal of tan, so we can write it like this: 1 minus 1 upon tan A plus here also 1 upon tan A and 1 minus tan A. Now dear students, in denominator we will take the LCM. So numerator will be tan A and in denominator we will take the LCM, which will be tan A. Now this 1 will get multiplied by tan A and we will get tan A minus 1. Here dear, see, this tan A will be shift over here like this, tan A in bracket 1 minus tan A. Now why this happened? We know there is a property of rational number. If there is A upon B upon C, it will become A upon BC. Got it? Now see here, this tan A will also be shift over here. This is also a property of rational number. If there is A upon B upon C, it will become AC upon B. So by using this property over here, this tan A will be shift over here. Tan A and tan A will make tan square A. Okay? Any issue? No. So it will be tan square A upon tan A minus 1 in denominator, and here plus 1 upon tan A in bracket 1 minus tan A. Now see, here tan A minus 1, here 1 minus tan A. If we take minus common from here, this will also become tan A minus 1. And this common minus I will put over here. So I will write it like this: tan square A upon tan A minus 1 minus 1 upon tan A, and this will also become tan A minus 1. By taking minus common, and common minus I have put over here. Now it is very easy to take the LCM. Now LCM will be what? It will be tan A and in bracket tan A minus 1. Now see, this tan square A will get multiplied by tan A. So in this way we will get tan cube A, and here it will be simply 1. Okay, to make similar tan cube A, it can also be written as 1 cube. Okay, so here you can see that we can apply a property A cube minus B cube. What it is? A cube minus B cube is A minus B in bracket A square plus B square plus AB. Any issue with it? No. So we will apply this property over here. A minus B means tan A minus 1 in another bracket A square, tan square A plus 1 square 1 plus tan A into 1 will be tan A upon tan A in bracket tan A minus 1. Now see, tan A minus 1 will get cancelled by tan A minus 1. Now this tan A will be distributed to these three terms in a equally. Tan square A upon tan A will give you tan A. 1 upon tan A will be cot A, as we have discussed earlier, plus tan A upon tan A 1. Now see our RHS part which we need to prove. 1 plus tan A plus cot A. 1 plus tan A plus cot A. If terms आगे पीछे हो जाए, then there is no impact on the solution. So we have got our RHS part. So this problem has been solved now. We have proved our RHS part. Got it? Any problem with this? No. So let's move on the second problem. I rub it. So now move on our second problem. I am going to read the second problem first. A toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone of the same radius as that of the hemisphere. What it is saying? A toy is in the form of a hemisphere. So first of all I am drawing a rough diagram. A toy is in the form of a hemisphere. This is your hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone like this of the same radius as that of the hemisphere. This radius is r. Okay. If the radius of the cone is 21 centimeter, means this r is given to us, which is 21 centimeter, and volume of cone is 2 by 3 volume of the hemisphere, means volume of cone is 2 by 3 volume of hemisphere. It is also given. If the radius of the cone is 21 centimeter and its volume is 2 by 3 volume of hemisphere, then find the height of the cone and surface area of the toy. We need to find height of the cone. Let's say it is h. So we need to find h, and second, surface area of toy. I have wrote all the information over here. Now it will be easy for me to solve the question, and I have drawn the diagram also. See, h, this we need to find, and surface area of this whole toy. Any problem? No. So now move on our first part, h. How to find h? We will use this relation which is given to us, volume of cone. What it is? It is 1 upon 3 pi r square h, and 2 upon 3 volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is what? 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So now we'll cancel the terms. 3 cancel 3. Pi cancel pi, r square cancel r cube, r times. So in this way we will get h is equals to 2 in bracket 2 upon 3 r. Now see dear students, r is given to us. Very simple for us now. R is 21. So we will put r over here, 2 upon 3 into 21. So 3 will cancel it 7 times, and in this way we will get 2 into 2, 4. 4 7 are 28 centimeters. So first part h we have found. Any problem with it? No? Moving ahead? No issue? Okay. I am going to rub it now. H is 28 centimeter. I am writing it over here. 28 centimeter. I have got it. Now SA of toy. SA toy. See the diagram very carefully. Toy is made up of hemispherical part plus cone part. So its surface area will be divided into two parts. This will be CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cone is what? It is pi RL, and CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Before putting all the values, first of all we will make this expression simple. Okay, so I will take pi r common from here, pi r. Here will be L and here will be 2r remain. Okay, now see, r we are having 21, L we are not having. So first of all we need to find L. L is what? L is the slant height of this cone. So L is square root r square plus h square. I am simply calculating it. R square, R is 21 centimeter, and h we have already found, that is 28 square. So it will be 1225, and it will be 35 centimeter. Now how I got this? 21 square 441, 28 square 784. When we will add, it will be 1225. 1225 square root 35. This square root you can calculate by prime factorization method, or a very small trick that I am telling you. The trick is, let's see, 25 square root is 5. And 12. 12 is a multiplication of two consecutive numbers. 3 4s are 12. So we take 3, the first number. So its answer is 35. Okay. Now moving further. Pi 22 upon 7 R is 21 centimeter, L we have found 35 and 2R will be 42 because R is 21, so 2R will be 42. Okay, pi value you can take 22 upon 7 or 3.14 as per your choice if not given in the question. Okay, if given in the question you have to take the same value. Okay, now 7 will cancel this 3 and you will get 66 outside the bracket, and here you will get 77. When you will multiply you will get 5082, and this is a surface area, so in this way its unit will be centimeter square. So see, both of part we have got, h we have got 28 and surface area of the toy we have got 5082 centimeter square. I think dear students these two problems will help you, and if you face any problem watch the video again. Thanks for watching my video. Best of luck.